Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing a healthy carrot soup recipe, ideal as a filling meal for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my kadai, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons wood pressed groundnut oil. Instead of groundnut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oil of your choice. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 3 to 4 garlic cloves sliced. Give it a stir. Once the garlic starts to get light golden brown in color, I'm adding in 1 onion chopped. Give it a stir. Saute the onions until it starts to turn transparent. Once the onion starts to turn transparent, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon sea salt, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander stalks. Give it a stir. Add in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Give it a stir. I have sliced 4 medium-sized carrots and I'm adding the carrots into the kadai. Give it a stir. Allow the carrots to saute for about 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. 3 minutes later, the carrots are lightly sauteed. I'm adding in 3 cups of water. Give it a stir and turn the flame on high and bring this to a boil. Cover and let it cook on low flame for 15 minutes. It's about 15 minutes now. Let's open the lid. Give it a stir. At this stage, the carrots are nicely cooked, so I'm going to turn off the flame. With a stick blender, I'm blending this really well. Alternatively, you can also allow it to cool down and then blend it in a blender jar. Once nicely blended, turn on the flame, give it a good stir. This is the consistency of the soup. This is what I prefer. If you would like thinner consistency, you can add in extra half a cup of water. So adjust water to suit your preferred consistency. Add in half teaspoon black pepper powder, some coriander leaves. Reduce the flame to the lowest and give it a good stir. Turn off the flame, squeeze in half a lemon, give it a good stir. And my healthy carrot soup is ready to serve. Sprinkle in a little bit of black pepper powder, some coriander leaves to garnish, and my super healthy carrot soup is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy carrot soup and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.